Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to enable smooth transitions on your account on Telegram, easy and quick. First click on these three lines, now click settings, now click start settings, and now click animations, and here you will find it, enable smooth transitions, and that's it, it will be turned on. And that's it for today. That's how to enable smooth transitions, easy and quick, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.